Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. AGIX also rallied and reversed in our trend reversal area here. That was on Friday when it hit the 61.8 retracement. That was the support level of the wave 2 or that possible wave 2 that happened after the wave 1, which rallied to new highs here in February, and we came down an A wave. It did highlight to you that the move up just looks corrective. I'd like to see one more leg down. That happened, luckily. Well, not luckily necessarily. It's market structure and probabilities. So it came into our support area, standard fib support for wave 2. You can see it just reacted perfectly to the golden ratio, as they often do. Basically just a line in the middle of nowhere, but it's the golden ratio. So you tend to see some reactions to that. And then we reacted to it and rallied in 5 waves. Yesterday I already indicated a top to channel members, added already this micro support area to the chart. Was a good call, I think, to highlight the top here, but I did highlight it a little too early. Yeah, we made one more wave up, which actually is good because I didn't trust it yesterday because it looked like other coins topped here. But something was missing. This did not look like a proper 5-wave move to the upside. So it's actually good that we made one more push higher, because then it's a 5-wave move. Can count it as a wave 1, and we're now coming down in a wave 2. Now we are entering already target or support area. This could be an A wave. I would count it as an A wave as long as it doesn't break below the 50% retracement here at 43.1 cents. Because if it goes below that, then it's actually a bit too deep for an A wave. I would then count it already the entire wave 2. Yeah, it's a bit short, that wave 2. Yeah, but sometimes you get it in crypto, these swift declines and strong declines, and that could sometimes complete a wave 2. Don't be too confused about the subwave structure. In my opinion, this is the relevant support area. As long as 34.7 cents is holding down here, and we can expect a reversal in this area. Now, very importantly, this is a more risky chart. It is a highly volatile coin, and it also, the long-term chart isn't let's say 5 stars or super high quality, but still a decent chart that can be used for analysis. So that's the support area that we have just right in front of us. If we lose this area, we could head into the next one, and we'll then most likely find some support there, right, between the 50% and the 78.6 retrace. Yeah. So that's sort of where we are. Moved down, very impulsive actually, but again, it could be an A wave or it was already the A, B, C, with a very weak B wave in there. So it's impulsive on the way down. Key is though that we just hold the 34.7 cent level. So if we lose that level, then we might have to reset this. Larger wave 2 happens, yeah. And then the next support will be 28 cents. And below that, we have 17.3 cents, where we would have the last chance of finding support. So how would that work out? I mean, at the moment, we have an ABC complete. Yeah, so we rallied in a possible wave 1 here into February. We came down an ABC. You have to assume it's finished now, especially given the impulsive rally from yesterday. But you never know. So it could very well be that the ABC here was just a wave W. This was an X wave, and we're now coming down in a Y wave. For example, it could also be an A wave, larger A wave, B wave, C wave. And then this is WXY. Yeah, this would be an X. So that's possible in a more complex correction. Is it likely? Well, it's possible. It's just that a WXY can never be the primary expectation, because it's just let's say an extension of a correction, a more complex one. Yeah, I mean, we will see. The market will decide. What is just in front of us is the trade setup. So we can only use that. Yeah, we can't control what the market does. We can only control our entries and exits. And here, I mean, we have basically, if you add these 2 support areas together, we've got a massive support area that could be used for scaling in for a possible 3rd wave trade. Yeah, but just be aware of your risk management and know what you're doing. Okay, there's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.